Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got the Look Fantastic Black Friday edit. It contains 7 beauty products. It has a value of £125 and can be bought for £40. If you're interested in this for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description. And down there, you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's see what's inside. I can't remember last year's now. I can't remember, so I can compare. But if you remember, yeah, let me know how it compares. So give you a bit of a sneak peek for it. Right, let's start off then with a beauty box favourite. This is a Kingsley Elasticizer Booster. It's a restoring conditioner, and there's 150 mils here, so a big whopper conditioner. I actually quite like this one. The Elasticizer pre-shampoo treatment, we always seem to get that in beauty boxes, and a load of you love it, but it just doesn't do anything for my hair. So this is a deeply nourishing conditioner formulated to complement and enhance our award-winning elasticizer, rich in olive fruit oil and strengthening yeast and chia seed extracts. Use this intensive formula to boost your normal conditioner and prolong the effects of your weekly elasticizer treatment. So an elasticizer booster. Then we've got one of my favourite sheet masks. I love these. Very pricey brand, but this is 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It leaves my skin looking super glowy. It feels really nice afterwards. I bought 2 or 3 of these with me that I had from different beauty boxes to Lithuania when I had surgery, and I never got around to doing it. Oh, little did I know. I didn't anticipate how shattered, how painful, how mentally exhausting skin removal surgery was, and I'm still not there now. I might look it. I'm on medication. I'm doing all right. I took a load of sheet masks with me, and I took about 2 of these, and I didn't even use one. Never mind. I'll definitely use them because I do actually love that one. Okay, we got the Inky List. This is hydrocolloid. Is that how you say it? It just doesn't seem right when I say it. Invisible pimple patches. Clinically proven to target breakouts fast. Best for blemishes with a head and visible gunk. It contains hydrocolloid, salicylic acid, succinic acid, and ectoin. I'm on high strength medication to control my acne, so I'm all right at the minute, but I'll pass that on to my children. Then we got Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm excited about this. This is Lip Velvet, a textured mousse in shade Pure Hollywood. I think we all get the same colour. If we get different shades, then I'll pop it up on the screen. I wonder, actually, it looks very similar to the one I've got. It does look very similar. I had it about a year or so ago. I love a moussey formula. Though this is a little bit dry. It looks a little bit dry, doesn't it? The colour's nice though. I do think I've actually got this one though, which I'm gutted about. But yeah, I do love a moussey formula because it just gives it like a really nice soft focus. You can like buff it out a little bit as well, intensify the colour. I love that. That's a really pretty colour. Yeah, I'll have to have a look. It's like a powdery sort of formula. That's how I describe it. Then we have got a gripping primer by the Beauty Crop, and this is Oi Cherie, and it's a hydrating gripping primer, 20 mils. Look at the jelly. Oh, excuse me, with a dodgy looking nail. Fake nails just plopping off everywhere. It's an oil-free gripping primer. Look at the colour. Oh, I wanted it to smell. I wanted it to smell. I wanted to smell of cherries. It doesn't. Okay, at what point does the redness go away? It feels nice on the skin. Yeah, I'm smelling it again. It doesn't smell. Doesn't smell. But we've got a gripping primer. We've got Iconic London, and this is Instant Sunshine Bronzing Drops, 13 mils. I think I've got these as well. In Universal. Yeah, I like the bottle. Yeah, the packaging is quite cool, isn't it? Like an injection. I had these again, I think in a Look Fantastic haul. I do monthly hauls where I get to choose like new products or products on sale and things like that, or favourite products, and then I do a little video about them. I bought it maybe last summer. Right, you see there? How amazing is that? That is just stunning, isn't it? Obviously, I would not put a load over my face unless I was going fancy dress. So with the one I've had, I've just put a tiny little dollop on my hand. Then I've just dabbed it onto my cheeks. I don't know if you'd be able to tell a difference if I do it like this. Or mix it with foundation. I apply a light foundation over my face, add a little bit to some extra foundation, blend it all in, and then I just go around the high points of my face. I don't like this all over because obviously it is super glowy, but it is really pretty. When it's blended out like that, it is really nice. A multitasking type product, really. My phone went flat then. I think I was just finished talking about the iconic London bronzing drops. So there's those. Lastly, we've got Sol de Janeiro, and this is Charosa 68 Perfume Mist. Which one is this then? Have I had this one before? Step into Rio's garden by the sea with notes of Brazilian jasmine, pink grapefruit and ocean air. This sounds gorgeous. 30 mils here. No, I don't like it. It's one of the farm smelling ones. It's all right, but it's got a farm smell to it. And there is some science behind that. I used to think I was weird in thinking that certain fragrances smell like farms, but no, it's a known thing. Some people can really smell it strongly, others can't, clearly. Or else these perfumes would not do well, would they? Because no one really wants to go around smelling like farms. A lot of people have said to me, it's jasmine clear, but I've got lots of different perfumes with jasmine in it, but I can't smell it. But it's got to be the jasmine, isn't it? But obviously in this one, I can smell it, so I'll be passing that on and seeing if my jasmine daughter, would want to try it. But no, yeah, it's a very popular sort of scent. I do smell it a lot on people when I go shopping, anywhere. It's all like, I can smell, I got the farm smells. It's not so bad that I think, poor, you know, I can literally smell cow poo, but it is a definite tinge there. Right then, we have got a sheet mask by 111 Skin London. We've got an Elasticizer Booster Conditioner by Kingsley. Inky List Hydrocolloid Invisible Pimple Patches. Charosa 68 Fragrance Mist. Anastasia Lip Velvet in Pure Hollywood. Beauty Crop Gripping Primer. And then lastly, Iconic London Instant Sunshine Bronzing Drops. So the value of the box comes in at £125 and can be yours for £40. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this year's Look Fantastic Black Friday beauty box? Are you going to get one for yourself, or are you going to think, nah, it's not for you this year? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.